Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is animation and transition in PowerPoint 2016, chapter 4, class 5. First of all, I will solve some question in book. First, tick the correct option. First, which of these is not an animation effect in PowerPoint 2016? Answer C. Second, which of these is not a transition effect in PowerPoint 2016? Answer B. Third, which of the following belongs to the emphasis group? Answer A. 4. Which of the following category has simple transition effect? Answer subtle. 5. Which of these is not a sub option in the advanced slide option? Answer before. 6. Where is the animation pane option located? Answer is animation tab. B. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. First, animation is the visual effect you apply to the slides. Second, PowerPoint has 3 categories of transition. Third, smart art are some in the build shapes which you can add to your slides. Fourth, emphasis category is used to highlight the key or point in a presentation. C. Write true and false. First, you can delete animation from slide master view. False. Second, the exciting transition effect are a strong transition effect. True. Third, you cannot add transition to more than 2 slides. True. 4. Animation timing can be set in hour. False. Guess who I am. First, I am effect that control the entry of an object in a slide's entrance. Second, I am an effect that control the motion of an object on the slide. Emphasis. Third, I am an effect that is used to highlight the key or point in a presentation. Motion path. 4. I am an effect that controls the exit of an object from the slide. Exit. Okay, I have done all question in this lesson. After that, question answer in notebook. Lesson 4, Animation and Transition in PowerPoint 2016. First, what is transition? Answer: the way one slide follows the other on the screen in the presentation is called transition. Second, write the different types of animation effects. Answer: there are 4 types of animation effects are: first, entrance; second, exit; third, emphasis; fourth, motion path. Third, right step to apply slide transition. Answer: the step to apply slide transition are: first, select the slide from the slide navigation pane on which you want to apply the transition. Step 2, click on transition tab. Step 3, click on more button in the transition on this slide group. 4. How can you remove an animation effect from your presentation? Answer: to remove an animation, click on the number to remove. The number box get highlighted. Press the delete key. After that, I will solve question answer. Periodic assignment 2. A. Write down the animation effect given below. Appear, swivel, bounce, random bars. Student, look at here and you can solve this question. Third, match the following. Fade. First, fade. Second, whip. Third, split. Fourth, push. C. Write true or false. Write true or false. First, fonts option present under the design tab. False. Second, you can change sound under the transition tab. False. Third, you cannot remove an animation effect. False. Fourth, format background command present under the insert tab. False. 5. Smart art command present under the illustration group. True. 6. Control plus Z is used to close the slide master view. False. After that I will solve test sheet based on chapter 1 to 4. Tick the correct option. First, Dash invented the first ever mechanical calculator. Answer, Blaise Pascal. Answer is Blaise Pascal. 2. Mark 1 was built in 1944. Third, which of these is not there in the variant group? Answer, designs. 4. Which of the following group does not appear under the design tab of smart art? Answer, create graphic. 5. Where is the animation pane option is located? Answer is animation tab. 6. Dash is used in the third generation of computer. Answer is integrated circuit. 7. Which of the following commands is used to insert rows in the table? Answer is both A and B. 8. The option to create a table is present under dash tab. Answer, insert. B. Fill in the blanks. Transistors were used in third generation. Second, the invention of integrated circuit occurred in third generation. Third, when you click on the borders and shading option, the borders and dialog box opens. Border and shading dialog box. 4. You can insert a smart art from the insert tab. 5. Gradient fill in the combination of two or more colors mixing into each other. C. Write true and false. First, ENIAC was faster than Mark 1. True. Second, universal automatic computer could handle both numeric and textual information. True. Third, you can add a picture or a texture to the background of a slide. True. Fourth, the exciting transition effect or strong transition effect. False. 5. Variant change the overall look of the them. True. D. Match the following. Laptop. First, laptop. 5th generation computer. 2. Fed transition. Third, mail merge mailing tab. 4. Control plus H replace text shortcut. 5. Control plus F shortcut for find. E. Short answer tab question. I will solve question answer E and F are in notebook. Based on chapter 1 and 4 test sheet. E. Short answer tab question. First, what is the use of table in Word? Table can be used to organize any type of content, whether you are working with text or numerical data. Second, which machines is invented by Blaise Pascal? Answer: Blaise Pascal invented the mechanical calculator known as Pascaline. Third, which option is used to add effect within the slides? Answer: transition option is used to add effect within the slides. 4. Which tool helps the represent ideas through graphics? Answer: graphic software like CorelDRAW help to represent ideas through graphics. 5. Which option is used to create the default layout and appearance of a presentation? Answer: slide master is PowerPoint is used to create the default layout and appearance of the slide in the presentation. 6. Macroprocessor were used in which generation of computer? Macroprocessor were used for organizing and appearance of a presentation. After that, F. Long answer tab question. Long and answer tab question. First, what is slide master? Answer: slide master is used to quickly change the appearance of the slide in the presentation. 2. Write down the steps to remove an animation. Answer: remove an animation effect are step first. On the animation tab, select animation pane. Step 2. On the slide, select the animated object that you want to remove the effect. Third, in the animation pane, select the effect you want to remove. Select the down arrow and then select remove. Third question, what is table style features in Word? Write the step to apply the table style on the table. Answer: a table style defines a set of formatting that can be easily applied to a table. Step to apply the table style on a table. Step 1, select any cell in the table. Step 2, select design in the table style gallery. Step 3, select the table style you want to apply. 4 question, write down the features of fourth generation of computer. Answer: features of fourth generation computer are: the fourth generation computer have macroprocessor based system. Second, the fourth generation computers are VLSI circuit. Third, improve speed, accuracy and reliability are seen. Improve speed, accuracy and reliability are seen. 4. Refinement of the input-output devices seen. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.